Unlocking the full potential of your iPad involves diving into its treasure trove of features, and one gem that stands out for its seamless magic is AirDrop. Imagine effortlessly whisking files between your iPad and other Apple devices with just a tap. That's the power AirDrop brings to your fingertips. In this digital era where connectivity is key, mastering the art of AirDrop is like discovering a secret passage to instant file sharing bliss. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to unveil the exhilarating world of how to use AirDrop on an iPad. Get ready to make your iPad experience not just powerful, but downright magical. Understanding AirDrop. AirDrop is a wireless file sharing feature that allows you to effortlessly transfer files between Apple devices, including iPads, iPhones, and Macs. It utilizes a combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to establish a direct connection between devices, ensuring a swift and secure transfer of files. Check compatibility and enable Bluetooth/Wi-Fi. Before diving into AirDrop, ensure that your iPad is compatible with this feature. AirDrop is available on iPad 4th generation and later iPad mini, iPad Air, and iPad Pro. Additionally, make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen to access the control center, where you can enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Activate AirDrop. To use AirDrop, go to the control center once again and tap on the AirDrop icon. A menu will appear with 3 options: receiving off, contacts only, and everyone. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Selecting everyone allows any nearby Apple device to see your iPad for AirDrop purposes. Share files with AirDrop. Now that AirDrop is activated, you can start sharing files. Open the app containing the file you want to share, Egg, Photos, Files, or Safari. Locate the file and tap on the share icon, usually represented by a square with an arrow pointing upward. In the share menu, you'll see nearby AirDrop-enabled devices. Tap on the desired device to initiate the transfer. Accepting AirDrop requests. On the receiving device, a notification will appear prompting the user to accept or decline the incoming file. Ensure that the recipient taps Accept to complete the transfer. If the AirDrop request is from an unknown or unwanted source, they can choose to decline. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter issues with AirDrop, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, ensure that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Additionally, check that AirDrop is set to contacts only or everyone in the control center. If the problem persists, restarting your iPad or the receiving device may resolve connectivity issues. Conclusion. As we conclude this exhilarating guide on unleashing the wonders of AirDrop on your iPad, you now hold the key to a world where file sharing becomes a seamless dance of technology. The power to transfer photos, videos, and documents at the speed of thought is now at your fingertips. Your iPad transforms into a conduit of connectivity, linking you effortlessly with other Apple devices in a symphony of simplicity. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone just discovering the capabilities of your iPad, remember that AirDrop is your ticket to a world where sharing becomes an experience,